Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna tell you how to withdraw money from Cryptomania. I'm gonna cut things sweet and keep everything simple. Cryptomania is actually a simulator. It's a trading simulator, and if you're not uh, very much familiar with simulators, what these are is that these are things created to make it seem like you're actually living. Like we see some bus simulator or truck simulator, driving simulator, things like that. Like it gives you that, okay, you are driving a bus, but are you actually driving? No, you're not. Similarly, Cryptomania is a trading simulator. It's not a real app. Whatever you collect through it, it's not real crypto. You can go watch 1,000 videos, but the truth is that the money that you get in Cryptomania is just not real, and there is no way to withdraw it. It is just a trading simulator. If you want to get real money, get on the real apps and start earning there, not in this one. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.